Hey everybody, it's James from Tindall Tech, and I'm back again with a tip I think you may find helpful. Did you know that Google Chrome has an inbuilt antivirus scanner that can scan for malicious and unwanted software? Well, grab a seat. To test this out, open Chrome, click the three dot ellipsis, select Settings, hit Reset and Clean Up, select Clean Up Computer. This will automatically search for malicious software that could be impacting your machine's operating system and browser's performance. One major question is, could this replace my existing antivirus? The answer is absolutely not. This feature is handy to have in your back pocket, but you get what you pay for. It is still recommended that you use a paid antivirus on top of the built-in Windows Defender for best results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like.